Hello!
Hey!
Today we have dinosaur eggs. This is the first one. Open, open. Wow! We have the first dinosaur. Okay, let's see the second one. Open, open, open. Oh, we have one more. Let's see the third one. Open, open. Wow! Amazing! They look so good. Okay, the next one. Oh, orange color. Okay, next is green. Wow! Cool! Next one. Yeah, this is Godzilla. Wow! And next, red color. Whoa, very famous this one. And next, let's see. Whoa, blue dinosaur. And this one, orange. Wow, so much colors. Okay, let's see this one. Whoa, yellow. Cool. And the next, the same. And this one. Whoa, we have already one of these. Okay, I like them. They look so good. Godzilla. And the last one is green one. Wow, cool. Okay, let's see them one more time. Okay, so let's go jump in the water. Yay!
Wow!
Now it's my turn. Whoa! Hello again. Whoa!
Wow!
Watch out! I'm coming! Oh no! And here I am! Yo! Jump, jump, jump! Jump, jump, jump! Yeah!
Wow!
Whoa! Yeah! So much fun! Wow! Amazing day!